Good morning everyone, this is Kenny here, and this morning I want to go to SPCA to attend their pet care program. It's a program that all first time volunteers must attend. Then you attend once, they'll teach you the regulations, how to handle the animals, what to do if you get wounded, and everything. Just teach you about everything you need to know as a volunteer before you even can volunteer for SPCA. After this program, you are free to go anytime you want and volunteer anytime you want. Okay, so let's go. Hi everyone, so I've arrived. I'm here at SPCA. This is the SPCA Ampang. Okay, you can see here, this is the telephone number and also the logo. Cute, huh? Cat and dog. So there's actually ample space for you to move around here. All the animals here are vaccinated and neutered. You can come and adopt also. Okay, so you come in here, you can park your cars around here, alright, and you can actually go in there. There's a reception counter. Now I'm about 1 o'clock, so you don't see any animals here because it's their nap time. You want to come and volunteer, you can come at about 10, 11:30, walk the dogs. So this is the walls here are even nicer. Got all the quotes. This is the entrance. Go in here and there's a reception counter. Big space, walk the dog up, down, and occasionally you will see places where where they hang plastic bags. So these are for if you see the dog poo, right? Just take this plastic bag, get a dog poo, and throw into the dustbin. Alright, there's the bins everywhere, and also place for you to wash hands. The moment you come in, there's a counter here. This place is very big, man. Office behind. There's some dogs here. These are their wish list. So if you want to donate, you can always contact them. They will always need cat food, dog food, all these the cleaning materials. It is always needed. Things that consumables and everyday use is always needed. Have a seat here. Can have a seat. And there's a cat there. This place is actually very big. So these are the diaries here. You can actually buy them, consider donation. And all donations are tax exempted. During Thursday, there's a vending machine here. But I think you will notice that there is no coffee. They do have some brands, like very interesting brands like the Tapping Tapir though. And some cup noodles for you, like snacks. So scan QR or put everything here and you are done. So we are at the reception area. The restrooms is there, and there's a shop here. That is the quarantine area. So do not go into the quarantine area without authorization. Sick animals or sick cats, those who just came and they're having disease or haven't neutered or vaccine, they are all there. There's a vet here, so you can actually neuter your pets if you want, but of course, donation. When you come, right, volunteer after that, you need to fill in the names and place behind. Then wear your orange shirt, okay? So after you pass this, that's where the reception is. So you pass this, you reach this showcase. All the dogs that you see here, these are young ones. They are puppies, and then also puppies. Then the young dogs are there, and behind there, there's older dogs behind this bargain basement. Bargain basement is where you can actually buy stuff and money will be donated to the SPCA. Alright? You can also donate stuff here for them to sell. So that's where all the dogs also face by face. The cage there is the young adults, usually dogs less than 3 years old. So if you see them out here, right, out here, or even there, they are up for adoption. They are already vaccinated, neutered. Okay, Lux here, Lux is also up for adoption. Okay, and just now the Doberman that I walked, her name is Sophie. There she is. She's also up for adoption. Okay. So when you come here, Edu Room B. Edu Room B is where if you volunteer, you come here, you can actually put your bags here. You can refill your water. Just bring your water bottle. Put your bags here, and do your things. This is a leash. Okay, today I learned what's the difference between a loop leash and a hook leash. The staff, Miss Erica, really taught me how to make a leash and how to walk the dog. Okay? This area is the cattery. It's inside here, cattery here. All the cats here are for adoption. Okay? Please, no shoes inside. No shoes, and do not make noise. Do not run. Do not use flash camera because you startle the animals. Okay? No shoes inside. These are all the cute cats up for adoption. This, okay. Opposite the cattery is the young adults, the older dogs, like puppies are somewhere inside. They are all sleeping, taking a nap. So don't make noise. These are the older dogs here. Okay, older dogs. It's a kennel. So one kennel, right, got 3 dogs for here, the older one, and then the younger ones, like one kennel got 4. So I'm lowering down my voice because this is their nap time. Okay. So SPCA, you can see they actually take care of very well of the animals. So please come here and see and talk. Smelly dog here just came here for some pets. You see they have the collar, so and they are actually free to roam around. These are the dogs that is in the center, or the cats there. Alright. So you can actually come and pet them. But of course, just wait for them to come and come to you lah. It's the best. Miss pets, huh? Okay, good. Wait, good girl. Okay, I thought boy. I think I found Grumpy Cat. Can you see the cat there? There's Grumpy Cat. Hello. Hello. Oh, he's also here. He's also here. This is Grumpy Cat. Oh, see? Who say cat and dog fight? So nice. So I got some wet wipes to settle that. Okay, once they in, put inside the dustpan. So after cleaning and sweeping, now I'm mopping the cattery with bleach here. Then the cats can come in. Okay, so now I've taken all the stuff outside. This is the detergent, there's the brush, and I will need to scrub all this and also that. Once done, just put it at the wall to hang dry. So let's get to work. Okay, so I've already put the soap, the detergent actually, to all this. This is the little box. And that's the mat. So I put the soap, let it rest a while, then you can start scrubbing. And I need to throw this. So this is part of the volunteering where you need to walk the dog, so that it's a very good rehab for them, easier next time for obedience training. And this is the part of the volunteers as you usually do lah. It's the fun part, you would say. So I'm walking Sophie here. Sophie is a Doberman actually. Very nice dog, very calm, very nice, very obedient dog. So this is a t-shirt you get also, and you actually pay for the PCP. PCP is the pet care program. It's compulsory for all the first time volunteers. If you're now volunteered before SPCA, you need to go through the program. This is the t-shirt you get. Okay, next time when you come for volunteering, you wear this t-shirt, because the animals will recognize you, and also public will recognize you as a volunteer. Cute t-shirt. It's a logo here. All the things that you pay to SPCA is actually tax deductible. So keep the receipt. You might want to bring a cap also. Just now it was quite hot. Bring a cap. For those of you who are a little bit more allergic to fur, the category, right, can be is small, so it can be a bit, the air can be a bit dense. So you might want to wear a face mask when you go in the category. Okay, but outside okay. Just maybe the category part. I want to bring a face mask next time. Wear a face mask, then enter the category. Okay, I'm done with the volunteering, with the induction training actually. I can only start volunteering next time when I come. So induction training you only go through once. You need to pay 120. That's considered a donation. It's actually tax deductible. Make sure you get a receipt. Right? You can pay by cash, credit, transfer, and QR code also can, no problem. It's a very eye-opening experience. They explain to you what they do here. I did a lot of cleaning, walking the dogs, cleaning the cattery, cleaning the kennel. I didn't manage to clean the kennel, the dog kennel. But if you want to volunteer to clean, you can come early. They start cleaning the dog kennel at about 8 a.m. and cats is 9 a.m. But if you just want to come to walk the dogs also can, no problem. Come about 10 a.m. to 11:30. Because anything after that, the dogs will go to nap. They have a very strict schedule, so you have to follow their schedule. So I think that's all. But actually, programs like this is something that is very much needed. You need to. There's still a lot more to talk about with public, especially in the areas of trap, neuter, release, and manage. The strays, control the population of stray dogs and cats. So even if you want to surrender here, they also have a very strict process. They explain everything. They explain the history. They explain the process. They explain how the rescue works. They explain if you want to vaccinate your dog or cat, you want to neuter or spay your pets, you can also do it here. There's a subsidized vaccination and neutering, but you have to make an appointment with them, and everything is based on donation. Overall, it's a very eye-opening experience actually, and something that I will highly encourage everyone to actually come and participate. Come and participate, get the feel of it. Just once, just once go through the training, and if you feel like coming back, come back. Okay, but at least get the experience and understand what it's like actually to volunteer. Okay, so this is Kenny here, and I will see you again next video. Bye bye.